Monarda, commonly known as bee balm, bergamot, or wild bergamot, is a strikingly beautiful flowering herb belonging to the mint family, Lamiaceae. Native to North America, Monarda species such as Monarda didyma and Monarda fistulosa have long been admired not only for their vivid red, pink, or purple blossoms and aromatic leaves, but also for their impressive medicinal properties. Indigenous peoples, early settlers, and herbalists throughout history have used Monarda to address a wide variety of ailments, from colds and infections to digestive troubles and skin wounds. Today, modern herbal medicine continues to value this versatile plant for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and calming actions. Rich in essential oils, especially thymol and carvacrol, and protective plant compounds like flavonoids, rosmaric acid, and anthocyanins, Monarda offers an array of benefits that make it both a potent healing ally and a delightful culinary herb. Whether enjoyed as a soothing tea, used as an essential oil, or applied topically as a balm or infusion, Monarda supports the body in multiple, complementary ways. Here, we'll explore the top 10 health benefits of this vibrant herb, each revealing why Monarda truly deserves its reputation as one of nature's most generous gifts to health and wellness. Number 1. Immune boosting and antimicrobial action. One of the key health benefits of Monarda is its strong antimicrobial and antiseptic activity. Its essential oils are rich in compounds such as thymol and carvacrol, both renowned for their antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral effects. These same compounds are found in thyme and oregano, giving Monarda a similar but slightly sweeter, more floral potency. Historically, indigenous peoples used Monarda teas, poultices, and steam inhalations to treat fevers, infections, and wounds, recognizing its ability to fortify the body's defenses. By helping to fend off harmful bacteria and viruses, regular use of Monarda tea or tincture may enhance immune resilience, reduce the duration of seasonal colds, and prevent secondary infections, especially during the winter months. Number 2. Respiratory system support. Monarda also shines as a powerful respiratory herb. Thanks to its expectorant, decongestant, and anti-inflammatory actions, it helps clear mucus from the lungs, ease sore throats, and calm inflamed bronchial tissues. The aromatic vapors released from its essential oils make it particularly effective in steam inhalations or vapor rubs for colds, flu, and sinus infections. Herbalists often recommend Monarda tea for soothing coughs, congestion, and minor respiratory infections, as it combines antimicrobial defense with mucosal relief. Its ability to relax the airways and promote deep, clear breathing makes it a natural ally for anyone dealing with chronic respiratory irritation or seasonal respiratory distress. Number 3. Digestive and gastrointestinal relief. In addition to its respiratory effects, Monarda is an excellent digestive aid. Traditionally, it has been used as a carminative, a herb that helps relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. The warming and gently stimulating nature of Monarda encourages the production of digestive enzymes and bile, easing sluggish digestion and helping to prevent discomfort after heavy meals. It also soothes intestinal spasms, making it helpful for mild cramping, nausea, or irregular appetite. Herbal tea made from Monarda leaves or flowers can be taken after meals to promote smoother digestion, relieve tension in the gut, and bring balance to the stomach and intestines without being harsh or overly stimulating. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief potential. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of modern health problems, including arthritis, muscle pain, and tissue degeneration, and Monarda offers a natural way to help moderate inflammatory responses. The plant's rosmaric acid, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds work together to reduce oxidative stress and suppress inflammation at the cellular level. In traditional use, Monarda poultices or compresses were applied to bruises, sprains, and swollen joints to relieve pain and accelerate healing. The mild analgesic properties of the essential oil can also soothe tension, headaches, and muscle soreness when used in aromatherapy or diluted topical applications. Regular use can thus contribute to joint comfort, tissue recovery, and long-term wellness. Number 5. Skin and wound healing benefits. Monarda's antiseptic and antimicrobial properties make it an effective herb for treating minor wounds, burns, cuts, and infections. Indigenous healers often crushed the fresh leaves to make poultices for cleaning wounds and drawing out infection. The essential oil of Monarda, when properly diluted, can also be used in salves or ointments to combat skin bacteria and fungi, making it valuable for conditions such as athlete's foot, acne, and eczema. Its anti-inflammatory action helps reduce redness and irritation, while its antioxidants promote faster tissue repair and regeneration. In addition to these healing effects, Monarda's floral aroma brings a gentle, uplifting quality to any skincare preparation. Number 6. Nervous system calming and stress relief. Monarda functions as a nervine herb, meaning it gently supports the nervous system to help the body cope with stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Drinking Monarda tea before bedtime can help ease restlessness and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. The herb's aromatic oils act as mild relaxants, soothing the mind and reducing tension, headaches, or irritability. When diffused or used in aromatherapy, Monarda essential oil promotes emotional balance and calm focus, a perfect choice for winding down after a stressful day. While not a sedative, Monarda offers a subtle, steady relaxation that nourishes the nervous system over time, helping the body adapt more gracefully to everyday pressures. Number 7. Urinary tract and mucosal membrane support. Another valuable use of Monarda lies in its ability to soothe and cleanse the urinary tract. Because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, it has been traditionally used to assist in urinary tract infections and bladder irritation. Monarda tea helps flush out harmful bacteria while calming inflammation of the mucous membranes that line the bladder and urethra. Its cooling energetics make it particularly beneficial for hot, burning urinary discomforts or other inflamed mucosal tissues. Combined with its mild diuretic effect, Monarda acts as a gentle cleanser and restorer for the urinary system, supporting kidney and bladder function naturally. Number 8. Cardiovascular and circulatory support. Although less commonly discussed, Monarda also supports heart and circulatory health. It contains antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids that help strengthen capillaries, improve microcirculation, and protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Some herbal research indicates that Monarda's plant sterols may aid in regulating cholesterol absorption, contributing to healthier lipid levels. The herb's mild diuretic action helps reduce water retention and supports healthy blood pressure balance. While not a substitute for medical treatments, incorporating Monarda tea or extracts as part of a heart-healthy lifestyle, along with proper diet and exercise, can offer gentle but meaningful cardiovascular support over time. Number 9. Antioxidant and anti-aging properties. One of Monarda's most far-reaching benefits is its antioxidant power. The plant's phenolic acids and flavonoids neutralize free radicals that damage cells, leading to premature aging and degenerative disease. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich herbs like Monarda helps preserve youthful skin, protect organs, and slow the natural wear of oxidative stress. Whether taken internally as tea or applied topically in skincare preparations, Monarda contributes to healthier, more resilient tissues. Its ability to combat environmental toxins and promote cellular renewal makes it a subtle but effective ally in maintaining vitality and longevity. Number 10. Culinary use and daily wellness tonic. Beyond its medicinal properties, Monarda is also a delightful culinary herb. Its flavor, somewhere between oregano, thyme, and bergamot orange, makes it perfect for flavoring meats, sauces, or teas. Using Monarda in the kitchen provides a mild daily tonic effect, aiding digestion, freshening breath, and offering small but consistent antimicrobial and antioxidant support. The flowers can be used as a colorful garnish for salads or desserts, while the leaves can be brewed into fragrant tea blends. Incorporating Monarda into daily cooking not only elevates flavor but also offers ongoing wellness support, showing that this herb's best medicine may simply be found in everyday nourishment. Monarda stands out as a truly multi-talented herb, combining beauty, flavor, and healing power in one plant. Its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and nervine properties make it a reliable ally for maintaining balanced health through every season. Whether you sip it as a fragrant tea, inhale its aromatic steam during a cold, or use it topically to soothe wounds, Monarda provides natural support that harmonizes with the body rather than overpowering it. As modern science continues to validate what indigenous and traditional healers have known for centuries, this humble North American wildflower shines ever brighter as a symbol of natural resilience and vitality. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.